Now, a powerful technique to resonate and balance your chakras using vowel sounds and visualization. See a beautiful beam of light starting from above your head, and this light now enters through the top of your head, running down your entire body, coming out to the bottoms of your feet and going deep, deep into the earth. And as it travels through to the center of the earth, it reaches the core. This is the heart center of our dear Gaia. And allow that connection to vibrate with you and to bring a surge of energy back up through the earth portal chakra below your feet, and entering through the feet, running up the legs, joining with your spine, running up the spine and through all the other energy centers, through the neck and the head, and back through the top of your head, joining with the soul star chakra above your head. Connecting you to the light, for you are the light, and the light is within you, and it is connected to the divine source. The light helps to bring balance and harmony into all of your energy centers, into your mind, into your body, as we bring our focus now to the first chakra at the base of our spine. Take a nice deep breath in. The vowel sound is ah. And relax. As you bring your attention now to the second chakra, located in your belly, take a nice deep breath in. The vowel sound is oo. And relax. As we bring our attention now to the third chakra, located just above the navel. So we take a nice deep breath in. The vowel sound is O. And relax as we bring our focus now to the fourth chakra, located in the center of your chest, our beautiful heart center. As we take a nice deep breath in, the vowel sound is ah. And relax as we bring our focus now to the fifth chakra, located in the center of your throat. As we take a nice deep breath in, the vowel sound is I. And relax as we bring our attention now to the 6th chakra, located in the center of our brow. We take a nice deep breath, and the vowel sound is A. Relax now. And bring the attention now to the 7th chakra, located at the top of the head. And as we take a nice deep breath in, the vowel sound is E. And relax. And feel the resonance and vibration through your body. Take this opportunity to simply sit in silence now, for this is the highest benefit. Place your hands on your heart center now. Breathe in to this energy center and take this feeling of vibration, harmony into the rest of your day. Thank you.